Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm back, you guys, with yet another video this week. Have you noticed I've been uploading more frequently? How do we feel about this? Are you sick of me and my face? For today, I'm particularly excited because I'm pioneering a new method in organizing because you know I'm an organization enthusiast, and if I had one big piece of advice, it is this: 5-minute organizing. Yes, guys. That's it. It's incredibly simple, but when I tell you, it is life-changing and so easy and so effective. That's the way you're going to organize your life, your home. Do it in small 5-minute chunks. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'll take you around the house with me and we'll do exactly 5-minute organizing projects, all extremely easy and for under $5, because why not add in another 5? We love a good theme over here. It's going to be a good time. So what we're going to start with is the elusive junk drawer. If you don't have that one drawer in your house where all the crap seems to accumulate, it has no rhyme, no reason, and it's complete chaos, then I don't know if I trust you. I'm sorry, we all have a junk drawer, and that's the first thing to tackle because it's usually small and manageable, and we like that. Wow, yep, we have complete chaos. What's even in here? This is a real fun one because you always discover some great hidden gems. So first thing, you just want to empty everything out, and as you're emptying, sort. So one pile is things to discard, one pile is things to move, and then you're subgrouping as you're organizing. This is what wins the award for most random thing in here. We have a single random nipple cover just hanging out in the junk drawer. Now, since everything's emptied out, I want to clean this because it's sticky, and I don't want to ask too many questions as to why this is sticky or what that could possibly be. And we're all cleaned out. There's some crumbs on the bottom here. So what we're gonna do is take some tape and just get all those little bits and crumbs. Put this back in, and now we put it back together. Okay, we have one junk drawer done. We're on a roll, so we're gonna do a little bonus round over here. This drawer is actually pretty organized. I'll give myself an A for this one. This one over here, no, not looking so good. Let's do the same thing. We're gonna empty out and then put it back together. That's the thing that you'll find at doing 5-minute organization projects is you'll get momentum. You'll do one and you'll feel accomplished and you wanna keep going. But even if you don't keep going, just start with one. Slowly, day by day, you can organize your entire home. You'll be shocked. These little dividers are probably one of my top 3 all-time favorite organization products because they're incredibly inexpensive. I believe it's a 20-pack for $10 or $12, but you can configure them to fit in any drawer. And you know, my philosophy is that every single drawer in your house needs to be subdivided. There we go. This was 10 minutes and I feel about 8% better about my life right now having these drawers organized. It feels so good to get organized. I'm telling you, do it. Our next 5-minute organization project is this monstrosity right here. This is one that's just been bothering me every single day, so it needed to be tackled because I will tell you, most of these shoes in here are either ugly or do not fit. They gotta go. Ryan's Ronald McDonald shoes, these might have to mysteriously disappear. Guys, I got mop shoes. Did I ever wear them? No. Cute idea in theory though. Go for that small cluttered space in your home that you interact with on a daily basis and just bothers you. You'll be surprised as you're doing this how fast you can declutter and organize a space if you're focused and you just get it done. The only thing standing between me and an organized shoe cabinet is 5 minutes. And literally, not exaggerating, under 5 minutes, this whole shoe cabinet is decluttered and much more organized. These are actually the shoes that we wear every day.
Hun? Have you see my favorite red shoes? You know, like my bright red ones. My lucky red shoes. I have to have them. Where are they?
Next little organization pro tip is make sure you are well nourished, okay? You're hydrated, you're fueling yourself because look, organizing, it takes a lot of energy. So I am going to make one of my HelloFresh meals. HelloFresh is one of my long-term partners, so thank you for sponsoring today's video. And I have very exciting news, okay? They have given me a code for 14 free meals. My code used to be for 8 free meals, then they bumped it up to 10. Now we have 14 free meals. So if you have not tried HelloFresh yet, this is the day. There's a pretty decent chance you are making the same types of meals day after day, week after week. This gets you out of your rut and you can try new exciting things. These meals are incredible, way better than anything I would think to make or make on my own. I order the family size for 4, so that way I only have to cook once and it gives me multiple meals. So I'm meal prepping for myself with these much better tasting, delicious meals versus something boring. So that's a life hack. And they have new options that are so awesome. You can do add-ons. So you can add on easy lunches, you can add on proteins. And the best part for me is it cuts out all of the time I would spend on meal planning and prepping and going to the grocery store. Everything arrives to my door. So I do everything through the app, just makes it so easy. Any given week, they have over 20 recipes to choose from. So whatever your preferences are, they're gonna have something that you love. I've worked with HelloFresh for a long time and this is the single best code they have ever given out. So today is the day to try it. So you can go to HelloFresh.com and use my code BVESSOR14 to get 14 free meals, including free shipping. And remember, when you get HelloFresh, you are not locked into anything. There is no long-term contract, so you can skip or cancel at any time. So how good does this look? It's so bright and colorful. Oh my goodness. You guys have to try the chickpea dishes. Most week they'll have at least one chickpea option, and I don't even normally really love chickpeas, but the way they're done in these HelloFresh recipes, they're phenomenal. Again, the link is gonna be in the description to get 14 free meals. Next quick area to tackle is your makeup drawer. I'm willing to bet a 9 out of 10 households around the world, if you open that top drawer in your vanity or makeup area, it's gonna be a hot mess because you know what? That's life. So my makeup drawer is overflowing. It's time we declutter. If you've been following along on my Instagram stories, I am making the transition to clean makeup. So I have been testing quite a few new things to find what I like because I'm having a hard time finding a good clean foundation. Oh my goodness, all of them are becoming oily messes on my skin by the end of the day. So let me know in the comments, what is your favorite clean, non-toxic foundation? Help a girl out. So you can see here yet again, I have those same drawer dividers. One thing for my clean beauty routine, I switched to the Dime Beauty liquid lipsticks. I love these, and what I do is I wear them with my favorite lip balm underneath. Another little trick, I have these Cover FX custom cover drops in 2 shades lighter and 2 shades darker than my skin tone. So if I ever need to custom adjust my foundation color, just depending on how tan I am, I could do that very easily. Next up is the top drawer of my desk. If you haven't noticed a theme here, the drawers, they just become so cluttered. So if you could just do one drawer a day for 5 minutes, you'll really make progress, trust me. So again here, I'm just going to empty everything out. There's a lot of trash in this one. And I got these cute pastel dividers. We're switching things up. I thought these looked really cute. And last little 5-minute project I'm going to tackle today is organizing my jewelry, because let me tell you, I have a love affair going on lately with necklaces. And fun fact, it's probably the #1 thing I am most asked about over on my Instagram stories, because I always got a pretty stack going on. So you can see here, everything's just been a jumbled, tangled mess. So I got this new necklace organizer that I really like because I don't like the necklace organizers that just have the 2 bars on either side, because to get the necklace you want, you have to shimmy it over top and you mess everything up. This one I found super affordable. It's all acrylic and there's 30 different necklace holders on here, and then the bottom has a little compartment for your earrings, bracelets, whatever else. But I'm a necklace gal now. Alright, so that is going to be it for today's video, but I hope this inspired you to do your own 5-minute organizing project today. If you do, take your before and after picture and tag me over on Instagram. I would love to see yours. Also, don't forget to use my link in the description box to try out HelloFresh and get 14 free meals. That is actually crazy. I've never seen a deal like this. Get a crazy discount and you will understand why I love it so much and why I've been a customer for so many years. So with all of that said, thank you as always so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.